It's day 4 of our South Australia trip, and today we're just leaving Rawnsley Park Station and we're going to Brachina Gorge. See what that's like. So you might as well come too. We've taken a detour on the way to Brachina Gorge. We're going to do the Arkaroo Aboriginal site. It's not too bad a hike, about 3 kilometres, climbs 110 metres, so fairly easy. We took an hour and a half as our main goal for today was to explore the 2 gorges, but the scenery on the hike is nothing short of spectacular, and there's an abundance of wildlife. We saw wallaroos, goats, lizards and plenty of birds. When you reach this massive rock, you're only about 200 metres from the site. So we've got an arrow there, we know we're going the right way. They got mesh to protect it, but you can still get your camera through. The art is well preserved. It's been done in charcoal and white and red ochre, and it's thought to be 5,000 years old. It depicts the creation of Wilpena Pound. Wherever you look, there's a view. I'd recommend doing the hike. It's only about 15 minutes from Rawnsley Park Station, and the views and the artwork make it well worthwhile. So we're on the road into Bunyeroo Gorge, and one good thing about the Challenger, you can go into forward drive without the centre diff lock locked, which is this mode here. And it's obviously much better than on a loose surface like this, because the road it's like a dirt road, corrugated, fairly slippery, so it's better on this road. Hasten Trail is here, which is a massive walking trail, really long one, and here's the warning. It says don't attempt it unless you're well equipped and experienced and very fit, I'd say. Okay, this is a reconstruction of the Yanyanna horse yards undertaken by Friends of Flinders Ranges National Park. And there's also a hut. I'm going to go and have a look at the hut. This is just off the Bunyeroo Gorge Road. Okay, so this is the Yanyanna hut. Water tank. Nice chimney. So it's provided for overnight walkers. Check it out. Pretty basic, but very nice. We're driving the Razorback Ridge and the scenery is incredible. This has got to be one of the world's most scenic drives. So we're doing Brachina Gorge now. just finished Bunyeroo, and this is a very spectacular gorge as well. It's very dry. I don't think they've had any rain. When you come into Brachina Gorge from Bunyeroo, you only do about half the length of the gorge. We don't mind that because we've done the hike at Arkaroo and driven Bunyeroo, so this is a big enough day for us. You wouldn't expect that, seeing as it looks so dry, but yeah, there's a little bit of water coming down. And apparently when it rains heavily, obviously you get this is complete deluge comes down here. Amazing scenery. Yeah, so this is Brachina Gorge. It's more picturesque, I suppose, than the other one. How childish is this, eh? They're like 12-year-olds. Halt! Who goes there? Halt! Says you're not doing it right. You're supposed to let me nearly catch up and then you take off. She's just keeping going. She's not doing the psychological bit enough. Oh, she's fully gone. Check it out. Still, it's an interesting drive. We're having a good time. I don't think they're camping, I think it's just mountain bike riding. Blue grey limestone, it's 500 odd million years old.